Just put it up to your ear.
See that brine visible on the roadway. Now, city says they've been preparing and are ready for this winter blast.
The key for us is to be flexible because we don't really know for sure how this is going to unfold. We just need to be prepared.
Preparations have been underway.
Hang it up and try Miguel's. Hang it up, try Miguel's.
They're hoping to reduce ice on roads, but there's one drawback.
Yeah.
Heavy washing rain, it can wash that.
Now listen, do you got a noise on there?
Down in case we don't
Has
get
it got
washing
no
rain.
no no?
Yeah? Okay, now you can dial it.
City crews have their 60 trucks ready to respond. They're prepared to put down salt and sand mix on the 1,500 lane miles of road in the city.
These events sometimes can happen over a large area fairly quickly, all of a sudden freezes, and that's one of the most difficult events to respond to and is most dangerous for our traveling public.
Another concern the city is addressing is the possibility of power outages. They have power generators at water and sewer plants as well as pump stations.
Oh, well, hang it up and try it again.
Icy road conditions. They're also trying to advise drivers to be more cautious this weekend.
You gotta think that there's always gonna be ice on the roads. So you gotta drive slow.
Should make her
For the other drivers
all of our
also.
numbers.
They're on that paper.
Drive slow.
Is that what that is?
Just tell everybody,
Put all their
stay
numbers
off
on
the
there?
streets if you can.
Just tape it on the wall there.
The city's public works director advises people and asks people to be patient this weekend. They say that their crews will be out trying to
See that
keep
extra?
Walmart was
safe
freaking
and drivable.
Dylan's was freaking packed.
Police have been overwhelmed by all these car accidents. What are drivers being advised to do if they get in a wreck?
Well, Jim, police officers see lots of fender benders and small accidents when winter hits. And they also advise people that if they hear of the earth or emergency accident reporting,
Dorian, do you know where the bottom half of your
that they
tablet
should
is?
grab one of these accident forms that you can find at any area Quick Trip as well as a police substation.
Okay, so you can put them on the charger. Make sure they're good and charged by tomorrow night.
Yeah. For some reason, when it's with the keyboard, it won't charge. But the
I know,
keyboard.
you have to take it out, neither will hers.
Well, again, just be safe driving out on these Wichita roads this weekend. Back to you, Jim.
Thanks, all the good.
Well, with any weather event like this one of the first questions parents ask their children.
But while
also
they
ask
don't
if
eat, you fall
when
apart.
the school closing. That's what Frank is looking into. West Wichita with the answers. Hey, Chris.
I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to make you call.
Yeah, good afternoon, Jeff. The state's largest school
Is it ringing, RayLynn? Is it ringing?
are ready to go as scheduled.
You don't know.